just a quick little demo. We talked a little bit with you guys about how the upcoming fresh florals are optimized for texture applications as well as painting and coloring applications. So I'm gonna show you this little fun technique. I'm sure you've probably seen it before. It's not new, but it's kind of a fun new application for our stamps. Like, in other words, I've seen people do this. It's a pretty basic watercolor technique, but painting with water first in a section, and then adding concentrated color in it and allowing it to move in the water and coaxing it with a brush. Now I want to do, I want these sections here to kind of not be completely isolated. So I'm going to like connect it in a couple little spots and bring some over here. Looking in the side light to see that I have a little bit of puddle happening. The more puddle you have, the more movement of your paint or tint or whatever you're adding, whatever concentrate you're adding into it. I'm going to connect these two. Okay. Now I'm going to take, where's that brush? Oh, did I? Oh, here we go. I'm using this, it's just an acrylic ink by Liquitex, just something I grabbed on hand. But of course you can use chalk type paint, you can use, you know, all kinds of things. So I'm gonna actually just use the dropper, and I'm gonna put a little drop there, a little drop there. And then you can let it bleed and see what it does. And then you can coax it into areas. One thing you want to do is keep some, you want to keep, isn't that beautiful just how it moves? Let me zoom in even a little more. It's just the color movement is so dreamy. It's like literally dreaming, because it's, you get to see the water movement and it's fun. It's therapeutic, you guys. I think like doing classes where you do a fresh floral composition stamped, let it dry, and then go back in and do this technique would be super therapeutic, popular, and I think your people would like it. But isn't that beautiful? You can also manipulate it by moving the surface. See there, get that. I personally like to leave some resulting white bits. I think that it adds to the visual interest. So, anywho, I just wanted to do this and show you all, you guys, the type of techniques that we'll be playing with and sharing, promoting with the fresh florals coming up, and maybe get your guys' juices flowing, your creative juices. Love you.